Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something that might be hiding in your bathroom cupboard: castor oil. It's one of those products that many people have, but might not be using to its full potential. Stick around as we uncover some tips and tricks on how to use castor oil effectively. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk hair care. Castor oil is like a secret weapon for promoting hair growth and making your hair thicker. All you have to do is massage a bit of castor oil into your scalp and roots, leave it on for a while, and then wash it out. Believe me, your hair will be grateful in the long run. Now on to skincare. If you're dealing with acne or dry skin, castor oil could be your new best friend. It's got these amazing properties that can help fight acne and calm down irritated skin. You can use it as a moisturizer by applying a thin layer to your face before bed, or mix it with other oils for even more benefits. Castor oil isn't just for your skin and hair. It can also be used as a natural laxative if you're dealing with constipation. Just be careful with this one and only use it as directed. A teaspoon mixed with warm water should do the trick. So there you have it. Castor oil is seriously underrated and totally deserves a spot in your self-care routine. Give it a try and see how it can level up your hair, skin, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.